Good morning students, this is class 2nd computer and children I am your computer teacher. My name is Miss Khushbu. I am your computer teacher and children this is your computer book and the name of your computer book is Computer Zone. Today children in this video you will study the first lesson of your computer book that is given on page number 3. Given on page number 3 and the name of your first lesson is How Computers Work. The name of the first lesson of your computer book is How Computers Work. Children, before starting the lesson, let us revise few important points that you have studied in class 1. Children, this is the picture of computer. What is computer? Computer is a very useful man-made electronic machine. Or you can also say it is very useful electronic man-made device. Children, these are the 4 main parts of a computer, that is monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. These are the 4 main parts of the computer. Monitor is the screen of the computer, children. Whatever work we do, we can see on the monitor. Keyboard, we do typing with the keyboard, and mouse, we select, we do the drawing, we play games with the mouse. CPU is the brain of the computer and the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Okay, these are the 4 main parts of the computer. Now children, in this video you will study how computers work. So children, let me tell you, computers or many more machines, they work on IPO cycle. And the full form of IPO is I stands for input, P stands for process and O stands for output. So children, computer work on this cycle only, that is IPO cycle, input, process and output cycle. This you will study in this video. And children, you will also study about hard copy and soft copy. What is hard copy? What is soft copy? Children, you will study about the qualities of the computer. What are the qualities computer has? And we don't have that qualities. What work computer can do and we cannot do. What work we can do and computer cannot do. All these things you will study in this video. Okay children, now children, let us start studying from the book.
Now the name of your lesson 1 is How Computers Work. So in this lesson, the very first page, one example is given. We will read the example, that is, how does Papa toast bread? He puts a slice of bread in a toaster and switches it on. After a minute or so, the toast pops up. In this example, the bread is input. What happens to the bread inside the toaster is a process. The toast that pops out is output. So, the task is done in 3 steps: input, process, output. Let me explain you. Now, here the father is toasting a bread. Now first, he puts the bread inside the toaster. Now, the thing that he is putting inside the toaster is input, and what he is putting inside the toaster is bread. So, bread is input. Now, after putting the bread inside the toaster, whatever thing is happening inside the toaster to the bread, that is process. That is process. And after the process, the result that we are getting is toast. So, toast is output. This is very simple example that is given. We will start with this example only. I'll explain you again. Input. The thing that we put inside is input, and here we are putting the bread inside the toaster. So bread is input. Now whatever is happening to the bread in the toaster is process. Whatever is happening to the bread inside the toaster is process. What result we are getting is the toast, and toast is output. The result that we are getting is toast, and toast is output. This lesson is based on this only, and this is called IPO cycle. This is called IPO cycle. Very important, you have to learn this. You have to learn the full form of IPO cycle, and you have to learn the spelling of input, process and output. This is the full form. This is what you have to learn. I is for input, P is for process and O is for output, and together we call it as IPO cycle. Input. What is input? What is put in? Whatever thing we put in is input. P is for process, series of action. Whatever thing is happening inside. To the input, whatever thing is happening inside is the process, and O is for output. The information, the result that we are getting is output. The result that we are getting is output. So you have to learn IPO cycle, and you have to also learn the full form of IPO cycle. Come on the next page. Now here on the next page, one more example is given, that is, the same 3 steps are followed when you make mango shake. You give mango pulp, sugar and milk as input to a mixer. The mixer mixes the pulp, sugar and milk. This is the process. The mango shake that you get is the output. As you can see in the picture, what is input? Input is mango pulp, sugar and milk. All these 3 things we are putting inside the mixer. And whatever thing is happening to all these 3 things inside the mixer is the process. And after the process, we are getting mango shake, and mango shake is output. I will show you a few more examples. First one is ATM machine. ATM machine also works on IPO cycle. How? In ATM machine, first we insert our card, then we put our ATM pin. That is input, and whatever thing is happening inside the machine is process. Then we get our money, and money is output. Same thing happens with the calculator. In the calculator, we type numbers. After typing the numbers, some few things goes on inside the calculator. Whatever thing is happening inside the calculator to the numbers is the process, and after that we get the answer, that is output. Same thing happens with the making tea, when we make tea. Now, when we make tea, we add milk, water, tea and sugar. These 4 things we put in tea maker machine. Now, these 4 things are called input. Whatever things are happening, all these things are mixing in the tea maker, and whatever things are happening inside the mixer, that is tea maker machine, that is process. Now, after this we get the tea. Now, when we are getting the tea, that is output. Same thing happens with the washing machine also, and here the example is given, but in here you have to write the correct answer. Check the progress. You have to check your progress. Write input, process and output in the correct box. First picture is dirty clothes, washing powder and water. Second picture is clean and dry clothes, and third picture is washing. You have to write all the 3 things in correct boxes. First one, dry clothes, washing powder and water. This is what? These 3 things we are putting inside the washing machine, and this is input. After putting all these things inside the washing machine, process is going on, and this is process. After this, we are getting clean and dry clothes, so this is output. This is output. You fill this in your book. All machines take input, process it and give output. These 3 steps form input, process, output cycle. Very important. These 3 steps forms the input, process, output, IPO cycle. Today in this video we will study up till here only. Now what you have to do? You have to learn the full form of IPO, that is input, process and output. You write this in your rough copy and you learn the spellings 10 times. Remember, do it in your rough copy. Thank you.